Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. Looks like India has got a very good offer or an option to strengthen their tactical transport aircraft fleet. If you remember, during the latest British Defence and Security Review, the British Ministry of Defence announced that they are planning to retire their C 130J Hercules by 2023 instead of keeping them in service until 2030. The UK Royal Air Force, one remaining C-130J C5 and 13 C-130J-30 C4 variants are the variants which are going to be withdrawn from service in 2023. And this is something 12 years earlier than the planned retirement. Not only that, the Royal Air Force has been selling off the older aircraft, which is C-130H, to other countries like Bahrain and Bangladesh. The Lockheed Martin C-130J is a proven aircraft for airdropping stores and paratroopers. Not only that, these aircrafts can also land and take off from rough surfaces other than normal runway such as desert strip. The Hercules is highly skilled in low-level flying and trained to perform both during day and night. The main reason which is said across defense forces regarding this early retirement of these transport aircraft is budget and maintenance. The early retirement of C-130J fleet will help the Royal Air Force from expensive upgrades, maintenance, repair and overhaul of the aircraft which demands from time to time until it is flown till 2035. Even though the retirement of 14 C-130J aircraft will reduce the fixed-wing airlift fleet approximately by 23%, it would be taken care by the Boeing C-17 Globemaster III and the 22 Airbus A400M Atlas. Another reason which is said about the early retirement is due to the favor Britain is doing for Airbus. According to Royal Air Force website, the Atlas A400M provides a tactical airlifts and strategic oversize lift capabilities. These aircrafts are equipped with ability to fly at altitudes up to 40,000 feet and they feel that it would be a better choice. India already operates Lockheed Martin C-130J Super Hercules aircrafts in their fleet, and if India buys these 14 C-130J and upgrades them as per the requirement of Indian Air Force, it would help them in strengthening the fleet without much expense. We also know that India has formalized the acquisition of 56 Airbus C-295 aircraft to replace the Indian Air Force HS-748 Avro fleet. Even though acquiring these C-295 from Airbus would help in strengthening the fleet, we need to note that C-294 of Airbus is smaller in comparison with the C-130J of Lockheed Martin. These old C-130J, if acquired from Royal Air Force, it will help Indian Air Force in operating in the harshest combat environments. This rugged aircraft is very helpful in performing special operations, aerial refueling, firefighting, close air support, search and rescue, and personal recovery. During the time of border clashes with China, boosting the strength of such tactical transport aircraft would help Indian Air Force to use them for various operations. The C-130J Super Hercules is one of the most versatile airlifters which can perform many roles, which is obviously a boost for Indian Air Force. So according to me, without second thought, Indian Air Force should go for these 130J aircrafts which are being planned to be retired by Royal Air Force. I don't think anyone would deny my comments in this matter, since buying such aircrafts which have more airframe life and other options to upgrade will be very helpful for Indian Air Force. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned to 10 Slide Info for more defense and aviation related updates. Thank you.